Yes, I am back again. This video I'm making goes to Jpac. Jpac, after watching your video, you are trying to tell Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie to caution some ministry members. Jpac, the only thing I will call you is that you are a hypocrite. I remember those days you are singing praises for Zion ministry and Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie. Everything Zionite do or did, you like it, and you are like a praise singer of Zion ministry. Not until you have a clash because of your selfish interest with Akko Zion. Before now, Jpac, everything that is happening in Zion ministry, you like it. Before again, Akko Zion, a break away. And the breaking away you had with Akko Zion was because of your selfish interest. If not now, you for don't blow. If not your selfish interest you had with Akko Zion, if for don't blow, especially this Ngopala crusade that just concluded, you are asking they are supposed to promote you. Zion ministry was supposed to promote you. You missed it all. Had it been you, we are still with Akko Zion during the Ngopala crusade, you would have even promoted yourself by yourself. But no, because of selfish interest. Now, Zion has become the talk of the town. Every video you are making, you are castigating Zion ministry. You are indirectly insulting Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie again and the Zion ministry members. How can you compare Choosing and Zion, if I may ask you? There is no comparison. Choosing is an old generation ministry. Zion ministry is a new generation ministry, for your information. You are talking about how Zionites used to insult people on social media. Then, who will they insult his or her father? The person will keep quiet. Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie is our spiritual director, and we are Zionites, so we can never keep quiet anywhere they are talking bad about him. If that is what makes Zionite bad, there is no problem. You are comparing Zionite with Choosing. Now, I am a Choosing is what is trending. Have you ever seen them calling Pastor Lazarus Moka names? Like the way they used to call Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie fake prophet, fake miracle, fake prophecy. No. They are only using I am a Choosing, who are you? Is a slogan. Every social media blogger is carrying it. Have you seen them call Pastor Lazarus Moka a fake pastor? Have you seen them like saying that what is happening, things that are happening in Choosing is fake? No. But you guys, you bloggers, choose to rubbish Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka Anozie and rubbish Zionite, and you think that we can just let that happen without reacting. It's a big lie. It's a big lie. It can never happen. I just want to know, and I'm believing that the video you made, you are just trying to see if Choosing members will recognize you. You know your name is Where Bele Face. You are just looking for recognition from Choosing members. Maybe they might call you for a deal. Just the way you gain the favor of Akko Zion, which you abused. I know that is what you are looking. Manokwa you cannot get it. For your information, Zionite we don't insult. And nobody will be happy that you insulting his or her spiritual director over the social media and you want that person to keep quiet. It doesn't happen now. Me and you know that it cannot happen. Personally, I know you. I know the way you talk. So, There is no how you can compare Zion ministry and choosing. So you are nothing but a hypocrite. Since you are not gaining anything again from Zion ministry, you have decided to fight Zion ministry and Zionites. So we know your games. We know what you are doing. But there is no problem. If they will only stop insulting Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie and Zion ministry, then Zion ministry will stop retaliating. Because nobody will just be watching them insulting his father or her father, and you want that person to keep quiet. So you are nothing but a hypocrite. You are just saying so that you can get view. Since the grace have left you, the grace of Zion ministry have left you, you are just floating. Zion ministry you can never have access to Zion again. You can never have access to Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie again. Even choosing members, it is only who that doesn't know you would like to have a deal with you. Because you talk too much. Nobody will ever take you serious again. So keep your advice. We don't need it. We Zionites, we don't need your address, your advice for your information. So when you guys stop insulting Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie and stop talking down on Zion ministry, then Zionites will stop retaliating. That is it. So know this and know peace. Zion will move. Oroku nwanke mmadu mere ihe. Kemesiano. Like, comment, and share. Let it get to him so that he know that we know the game he's playing. In our you, Iri Ji Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie Ashani. See about Bobble.